Thank you for calling the Cleaning Authority. I'm Katie. This call may be recorded. How can I assist you today?
Hi there. I would like to get a quote to have my house cleaned.
My name is Dave Robak, and for 18 years, I ran a franchise cleaning business and built it from 6 territories and ran it out of 2 offices. Everybody's busy running their businesses, trying to hire and fire cleaners, and the one thing you're missing is all the money you spent trying to find new customers. One customer, as you know, is a lifetime value of almost $9,000 over their typical lifetime, 2 or 3 years of service with you. One of the main competitive advantages of cleaning services is answering your phone before your potential customer calls up the next service on Google Maps. So recently I've created with the Newo technology an AI Receptionist or an AI call agent that can answer phones 24/7, 365.
What's the approximate square footage of your home?
About 400 square feet.
How often would you like the cleaning service? We offer one-time cleaning, weekly, every 2 weeks, or every 4 weeks.
Let's just do a one-time cleaning.
We're answering the phone, making sure they get an estimate the first time that they call you, not after a voicemail, not after the weekend, not overnight, but the minute they call you, you can have an AI receptionist accurately quote a customer so you win that business before it goes to the competitor. We've helped locations grow over $12,000 per month by using an AI receptionist to beat the competition and answer your phones 24/7.
The approximate cost to clean a 400 square feet home as a one-time payment in the 9400 area would be between $30 and $70. Would you like to go ahead and schedule a cleaning now?